All right, starting the night. I gotta get under here, underneath the car, and pull this plug. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's not much light under here. Right there, that little guy. Drain all the coolant so I can start pulling the heater core and whatnot out. Gotta check all that stuff out. See my Fortunato's looking pretty sexy. There's the Wise Fab kit, looking gangsta. But other than that, that's where we're starting tonight.
Alright guys, coming at you guys with a little update through the night. We've started taking out actually we're almost done taking out the wiring. And yeah, it's going pretty well. We get everything pretty much labeled and figured out what's the what and where is where. You got anything to say about it, Dylan?
No, I don't like it.
Yeah, it's understandable. No one likes it. But yeah, it all should be coming out pretty soon, hopefully. We'll come back at you guys throughout the night. Alright guys, we are back at you with a little bit more done. Not very much, but as you can see, we got all of that out. Where the fuck did it go? I don't know where it went, but we got all of this out. We are down to the last little bit.
AC's out. Squirrel cage is out. Now we're working on the heater core. And it looks like it's only going to be 8 screws, but don't quote me on that.
You hear him, folks. Don't quote him. But we are basically at the home stretch of getting ready to paint. That will be in the next episode of building the LS240 with Billy and Dylan. So, yeah, we'll catch you guys tomorrow.
Yeah.
It was a good fun night. It is probably about 3:30. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. You got anything else, Dylan?
Build cars. Kick ass.
Quote
Do cool
him.
things.
Quote him on that.